Hello people. We're going to be cooking a giant, fantastic ribeye steak that is going to be medium rare and it is going to taste absolutely beautiful. What we've done is we've stuffed it with some basil and some cheese inside. We've got some sun-dried tomatoes and brie. On the outside we've got some basil and herbs. This is something that we're going to have to do in the oven. You can pan fry it and then sear it and put it in the oven. But I mean, look at the size of this. This is like Flintstones, man. Going back in the dark ages, eh? Caveman style. Let's get that cranking because that's going to take the longest. So this is going to be so simple, right? Some olive oil in a pan. We've got our oven set on 180 degrees on fan forced. So this is degrees Celsius. Right, so if you want to change that, just Google that for Fahrenheit on fan forced. Olive oil, of course. We love the olive oil. Now, I'm not going to have to turn these over at all. Just going to place the ribeyes down. So one direction, one the other direction. That way we can fit them all in because they're great big chunky things, yes? Okay, so our ribeye steaks going in the oven. And we'll leave that in there and we'll set our timer to maybe say 35, maybe 25, 30 minutes, yeah? 25, 30 minutes. So 25, 30 minutes. So let's go halfway between 25 and 35 and see how they turn out. What we're after is medium rare. We've got a salad here. We had a salad left over from Zaid's birthday yesterday, and all we did was add to it. So we've got a little bit of salad in there. It's got tomatoes, it's got feta cheese, it's got carrots, it's got corn, it's got onion, red onion, it's got purple cabbage, tomato. What else can I tell you? This is going to taste delicious. It's going to taste so nice. Yeah. Matter of fact, you know what? It's going to taste so nice, I'm going to start eating it. Okay, while we're waiting, I might just start eating this. Okay, let's try this salad and see how nice it actually tastes. That is so nice. What was the sauce you put on that, darling? The salad dressing. That's so delicious.
It's a sesame seed.
It's a sesame seed salad dressing. Is that great? It's tasting so nice. I was going to use the an Asian crispy noodle salad dressing. My wife put something different on there. It tastes so nice, so yummy. In the meantime, what we'll do is we'll fry up some chips. We've got some wedges here. Right, so we half cooked the wedges. We're gonna put them back in the fryer. So this is an air fryer, different than a deep fryer. The deep fryer, you're gonna submerge the chips in the oil, which gives you a lot more fat content and not so good for your tummy. This way is so good for your tummy and your health, okay? Ding! let's put this on and let it crank away. So we're gonna push the button, select what we want to select. We're gonna go to chips. Oh, it's already cranking, okay? 15 minutes to go on 180 degrees. In 15 minutes, we'll be back to you.
A few minutes later.
So our steak is cooking away, and our chips are cooking away as well. We probably should check on our chips. So, air fryer. So, there's no reason why you can't stop that and give it a shuffle and it'll go again. Salad's all done. As we said, it was left over from Zaid's birthday tomorrow. Once you subscribe, you will see his birthday, and we just added to that a little bit. Top it up. Don't let food go to waste. The steak is in the oven, believe it or not. Okay, steak in the oven. Unbelievable, eh? This is a ribeye steak. This is probably the best steak you can buy because it's on the bone. You got the eye fillet, which is top of the range, right? So eye fillet comes from the ribeye steak. So still on the bone, caveman style. Let's prepare, let's get ready. So we're gonna need some steak knives, of course. So steak knives. We're gonna need some plates. I'm very fussy with my cutlery. I like everything to be identical. So, voila, there we have it. 3 minutes to go here. Maybe 7 minutes to go there, and then we're back in action. We haven't thought of a sauce to go with this because this is going to be quite authentic with what the ribeye is actually stuffed with the sun-dried tomatoes and the cheese, and I guess we want to taste those flavors. So if we add a gravy to this dish, I don't think it's going to taste that nice. Salt and pepper on the chips, the steak. The salad has its own salad dressing. It's going to taste pretty good. Let's wait and see. So what we're going to serve up tonight is a giant, fantastic ribeye steak, hopefully medium rare, and it's going to have some basil and some sun-dried tomatoes on the outside. It's going to have some cheese on the inside, which is brie and sun-dried tomatoes. It's been stuffed with that. It's a ribeye steak. We usually do this on a barbecue, or we would do it on a pan, not in an oven. Let's see how it's going to turn out in an oven. So, a steak, some salad, and some chips. You could put any sauce you like on this. If you take a look at this is what we're serving. So the salad has absolutely everything. We've got feta cheese, we've got tomato, we've got corn, we've got carrot, we've got some baby spinach, we've got some olives, we've got some cucumber, some sun-dried tomato in there somewhere, we've got some red onion, we've got some wedges. Now, a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. Now, with the wedges, I would probably serve like a sauce on the side. Let's say something like, let's see, like a side dish, and something on the side, such as, let's see what we've got here. Maybe some ranch. So, the ranch goes really good. The chips are very hot. So, the steak. What we're looking for is the pink in the middle. So, medium rare. We've got the sun-dried tomatoes and we've got the brie cheese. This is the brie cheese. Now, again, careful. This is going to be very, very hot. I can't help looking for my next piece of food, but that is to die for. This steak is gonna make you fat. You're gonna love it so much, you're gonna want more. Okay, look how juicy that is. So brown on the outside, pink on the middle. That's how we want it. So we was 25-30 minutes, 180 degrees. It's a rib-eye steak. What we've done is we've sliced it and cut it, and we've put the tomatoes and the brie inside, and a bit of herbs on the outside. Some wedges for the chips and salad. You can do any salad you like. Fantastic. Absolutely beautiful, amazing. Let's see what we come up with next. I think we're going to come up with something wonderful next. Or we just might go on a fishing trip, hey? Let's go fishing.